At last it's here, at least for me. Thanks for tuning in again and supporting my channel. This is Roland Uy, and if you're new here, then please hit the subscribe button for you to see more video filled with fun gaming stuff, including unboxing, tutorials, DIYs, and gaming setups. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I just got one of this Series X today as it was really hard to get anywhere here in my location because it's always sold out. Now I'm very excited to try him out, but first things first, let's get it out of the box. Now let me show you how to set it up. You will have two options. One is from the console itself and one is from the Xbox app, but both basically the same way. Just follow on the screen instructions. after setting up, the first thing I noticed, it has the same menu outline with the previous models, from top to bottom. Now before trying it out, I just wanted to mention that the main thing I'm expecting with the new machine right here is that the response of the controller to the movement in the screen, which is, I really cannot say I like it from the previous models. And it's still the same. Though it has 120 Hz at 4K, the control has a little bit of laggy. Maybe that's the main reason why people being forced to use mouse and keyboard when playing on their consoles. But if you're really a console gamer, then you might not find it hard, not even noticing it. But anyway, it's only my own opinion. You might also have your own. If you can please share it with the comment section, it would be very interesting to discuss. That's wrap it up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again next time.
Never mind, Control. I took care of it. DBs, we gotta secure this straight.
Going frag! There's just one left, Delta!